It's Thursday, which means we're thinking like entrepreneurs, and today we're going to talk about one of the biggest mistakes new entrepreneurs make. Hey, it's Erin Smith of the Starters Club and the Entrepreneur Summit, and welcome to another episode of Think Like an Entrepreneur Thursday, where we discuss the mindset shift of going from an employee to an entrepreneur and how to set up your business for success. I want to talk about a hot topic right now, and I want to talk about the importance of it and how you can utilize it, and that's live video. Now, at the beginning, I said this is a large mistake new companies make, and it's really following the protocol of large corporations. So typically, we feel like we really can't have much of a personality. We can't have a person who represents our brand necessarily. We want to have this big professional block behind us where that's how people notice us. But if you notice, you can take the lessons from companies like Domino's Pizza, for example, when they had that huge mishap where they had videos of people doing gross things in the restaurants. Wells Fargo recently, if you haven't noticed, Wells Fargo, you always thought of them as the horse and the carriage, and that was it. But when mistakes are made, when huge mistakes are made, they come in with this huge, then the person comes in and talks and says, hey, we're human, we made a mistake, don't leave us, come back, we're gonna fix this. But unfortunately, they wait for the mistake to happen before they become human. One thing you have to remember as a business is that people do business with people. And even if you're B2B, it's people to people. Think about the people you've purchased from. Even if it's a company, you've had a relationship with a salesperson. It's all P2P. And don't make the mistake of hiding behind a logo or hiding behind a brand. Utilize live video. Show your employees, show yourself, show other people who work, show customers. Use live video to share the stories, share your knowledge, give people behind the scenes of what your company is about, and don't put this front on. I know people get they clam up at the thought of live video, and here's why I prefer live video over video like this. So this 5-minute-ish video will probably take me 20 to 30 minutes to record, actually more, because I've done this now. This is my third take on it. So over the past 3 days, we've been working with cameras and trying to get this done. So one video that's 5 minutes is now taking me over an hour and a half. Now that's not always, but that's just shows you. With live video, you can knock it out. Nobody is expecting perfection. Nobody cares. They want to be able to see you and hear you, but it's live video. So if you're showing behind the scenes, this is a great way. Be human, share your knowledge, tell people, get them involved in the different choices that they can have. Maybe you have a new product coming out. Let your customers help make the decision through live video. Have them vote, have them be a part of it. And I promise you, I did a video about Facebook and how to get more engagement. This is going to create more engagement because they're going to feel part of your brand. So don't hide. Don't feel like a mistake has to happen before your CEO or yourself or whoever comes out and says, hey, we're human, we're human. Be human from the beginning. Use live video. Like I said, share knowledge. Do a video about a lesson or a topic that your customer is going to find interesting. Get them involved in product creation or product launches. Let them see what's happening. I did this with a book launch. I had my live video community select the book cover and tell me what needed to change, and it really helped launch my book in thousands of books in just the first day because of that. Show them behind the scenes of what goes on in your company and how it works. Southwest Airlines, one of their most popular live videos is showing what happens once luggage is checked in, where the luggage goes. So show them behind the scenes. What you may think is mundane and boring, I can tell you somebody's going to find interesting. So have them be a part of that. Have employees do live video. Have them show what's going on in different things. But all these different ideas, don't hide behind it. Be human, get out there, stop trying to be all polished and perfect. You want to be professional, but you want to have a human side to you too, and that's going to help really create deeper relationships with your customers. They're going to love you more, they're going to be more involved, Yes, they may hate you, but let them go on. It doesn't matter, and you will be set up for success. So embrace it. You've got Facebook Live, you got Periscope, you got YouTube Live, you got all these incredible options to get rolling now without a ton of, you just need your phone or your computer. That's all you need to get rolling, and utilize this to your advantage. Live video is only going to get more popular. It's not going to go away. So make sure you're taking advantage of this. Get your company out there and watch your relationships and your customer relationships and your customer appreciation soar. As always, thank you so much for watching. We're here every Thursday where we discuss topics about getting you out of the mindset shift from an employee to an entrepreneur and successfully building your business. Thanks so much for watching.